Good morning, guys. Great weather today. I'm currently riding my electric unicycle to go to Helsinki. I need to go talk to the government office there about welfare. Yeah, I know, I'm welfare bumming it, but I'm pretty good with this shit. I did it for years in the past. A long break from it, but I still know the system pretty well. I know what to do to the best of my ability avoid all the bullshit that you have to do to keep getting welfare. So it's pretty easy for me. It's mostly just getting money without much drama or having to show up for dumb shit that doesn't actually help with anything. I'm just riding slow. I'm not really in a hurry to get there. Also, I'm a little concerned with the police station over there. Not actually sure how they would receive seeing an electric unicycle. But it's a beautiful day. I'll try and get some footage of the ride. Guys, I'm just going for a ride. I'm done talking with the government for today. The government worker I had was so sweet and beautiful too. It's the first time I've had a beautiful government worker. It's kind of awkward. Couldn't help complimenting her. I was like, I don't want to come across how do you put it? Not unprofessional, but like basically don't take this the wrong way, but you're very pretty, especially because you don't wear makeup. You can really see the beauty. I don't know if that's too much. Like, I'm not really trying to rizz up my government worker. Ooh, there's a bun. See that bun? Bun on the run. Yeah, I'm not really trying to rizz up my government worker, but I just can't help but compliment people. It's like a defect at this point. I just can't help it. It doesn't matter how negatively it affects me. But yeah, just makes me happy to see people complimented. You know, compliments are rare for a man, a fully grown adult man, and well, I think people appreciate it. They typically light up. This swan has had its neck in the water for so long. Are you okay, buddy? Okay, there we go. He took his head up. Over here. Got some other birds sticking their neck down. There you see him. Ooh-wee. Get some lunch. Whenever I see a church, I just can't help but visit. I love the architecture of these places. I love the materials. I don't know, man. Simpler times. Am I right? We're on the dark side right now. Let's get back into the light. It's kind of cold back here. Got such beautiful graveyards and churches out in the countryside. It's almost a shame not visiting it. Of course, I'm going slow here. I don't want to mess up their raking. No skid marks or anything. I just saw this in the distance. I wanted to check it out. I'm just exploring the area today. I'm not really too familiar with this area, but I want to go everywhere, you know? So I gotta challenge myself. Go out and see some places I haven't seen. Let's check this town out. This is Sybil right here. Or Lake Castle, directly translated. Check out this beautiful place. Wow. Just outside of city limits. Big ass stone over there. And all these Easter flowers over here. Some kind of grave or a rock. Some kind of, let's see what it says. Peace and freedom was given to us. Thank you for the light, or thanks for the light, thanks for life. And then 5th of May 1945 to 1955. Check out this amazing place I found. The stone is just over there. Mark my words, guys, I'm gonna set up my tent here eventually. This place is beautiful, and it's like perfectly hidden. There's like a steep hill over here, and I'm standing on another hill here, so this place is like perfectly sandwiched. You can only really see the tent from this angle right here. Oh, well, I mean, the road is pretty close. Maybe, I mean, this is a beautiful area. I'm pretty sure I can find better spots, but that just looked great to me. I love electric unicycle. They make exploring so easy and just such an adventurous thing. Let's see, is there anything else of interest over here? Maybe not. Oh, there's some kind of road over here. Let's check that out. I love all these Easter flowers. They're beautiful. Ooh, look at this vista. Just a beautiful day, guys. Get outside, brother or sister. Go live. What? Almost got stuck in my pad there. You gotta be kind of an expert to ride with these Grisla pads, the sink pads. Because if you mess up, you're basically fully attached to the wheel. We're back to the graveyard now. Guess we can pass through here. Guys, finished out hanging out in the kitchen. I hung out in the kitchen for a long time, had a long conversation. Apparently there's some drama going on in the commune right now. I'm not really gonna get involved. I don't really care. I just keep doing, cleaning up after myself and after others. I can't really do much more, right? Like, I keep buying stuff for the commune, like food items, tea and stuff like that. I just, anytime I see them working on something, I always ask if they need help. I tell them, hey, come knock on my door if you need help with anything. I offer my help willingly, But yeah, in any case, there's some drama going on. I don't really care much for it. But yeah, I ended up hanging out in the kitchen talking about the drama. Some of the chill people who don't, have issues, who just fix stuff if they see an issue. They were there. Yeah, we just talked about it. And then I hung out with Moss and Julius, the guy who also lives here. I'm not sure if you've seen him. Yeah, that was nice too. Now I finished cooking some food for myself. I made these chicken schnitzel, or culetter as we call them in Danish, with béarnaise sauce on white rice, some broccoli, some steamed broccoli, and steamed carrots as well. This is gonna be nice. I am hungry. And I'm hanging out with Stony in voice chat. It's gonna be a good night. Itadakimasu.